I want to relax my hair. I'm supposed to mix this two together. So I think normally we're supposed to leave it in for. Anyways, I'm gonna do it for. I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes. If this thing eventually relaxes my hair, I'll just cry. They say we're supposed to part our hair and be putting it in sections, but my hair is not even long enough to be doing that. I can't part this hair into 4 sections. It's not that long. It's not long at all, safe. This is my glove. Wait. I think this thing don't look like them. Such the way it started. I don't want to see it that way. But I'll let me finish applying it. And it's looking like it's peppering me. Does that mean it has started relaxing? Because see the way it's falling. This is how I'm gonna be. This is how I'm going to look like if I decide to go out. I mean, fresher than this because obviously I'm stressed. But it's not that bad. I want to go and bring the shampoo and wash it off. I think I left it on for too long because my hair is completely relaxed. To relax your coil. Oh my god. The activator is here. I obviously don't want to use it this night. Tomorrow I want to use it. Guys, I have to wash it off. But I think I should just try and see what to do. The one I got was orange. In the section. If this thing does not do, I don't know how to fucking style my hair for tomorrow. The video I watched, they just put the gel and basically combed it out actually. And it coiled. Good night, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know if I came back to tell you guys yesterday, but yeah, you get a coil or see. So find a way to start today. Anyways, I woke up and it's light. This is 6:28. And I'm so happy, I'm so nervous. I was able to finish ironing my clothes. I was so fucking scared. I had to literally come, fold it and put it under the pillow, but just lie so I can quickly rush upstairs and iron. I'm so happy. Hi guys, I'm functioning until I was sleep. I was still get ready with me on TikTok, but I just remembered I have to come and address you guys, and that's why I'm here. I think I'm just going to go and get ready and you guys will see final results. My face is like this because I want to do a quick 20 minutes, 15 minutes hopefully makeup artist is going to be there, but I said she's not going to do her makeup till after the diplomats entered, and I want to look a bit pain before then, so we're doing our makeup just very small, and then when we get here, if she has time, she can always wipe it up and do her stuff. So this was the result of the makeup. I'll show you guys a full fit later in the video. So I just took a cab and headed straight to the engagement venue. Guys, I was too fixated / lost in, I can't remember what I was lost in. I should know that I did not drop at the right bus stop. So now I have to check down. I eventually saw an Okada man that took me to the venue. I hope you guys can hear me. I had to leave the hall because of the noise. That's the hall. I'm so excited because I made it on time. They've not started, just still decorating the hall. And I'm like, this is Nigeria. We'll come for engagement by 7 a.m. So hopefully it starts before 10 because I think this is past 8 and they're still arranging the hall. I've seen the makeup artist. She's doing it on the first scale. I've seen her work. It's okay. But I think I'll just manage mine. And let me just look at the finished results, the final results first. But nevertheless, I need my lashes, so she's going to help me to fix my lashes. But I think I might just end up going with this makeup, depending on how our own makeup turns out. The makeup she did for the other girls were nice, but I somehow preferred how Simple Mind looked. So I just asked her to help me fix my lashes, and she also retouched my face. The engagement started shortly after, and it was a fun experience with the prostrating, spending money, asking the bride family to pluck a flower from their garden, and everything that the traditional Yoruba marriage entails. But it was a fun experience overall. I promised to show you guys the full agbada somewhere in the video, so this is just me showing you guys the full fit. I am still very proud of my work, very proud of myself. Look at me looking like one Yoruba demon that is about to break your girl's heart. The Yoruba traditional wedding ended and we went to the white wedding on Okada, guys, on bike. I know you can't see it in this video, but I was panicking inside, guys, because I know my hair was going to be a mess when I get down from the bike. And it was. But thank God I took the activator gel with me, so I just reapplied it and got ready for the white wedding. But not without the help of these girls. God bless them for me. I do not think I have a video showing the full fit of the groomsmen and all the groomsmen also. I'm not sure I have, so you guys will have to manage this.
Do you take Akmaremi Esther to be your helpmate, lawfully wedded wife, to live together according to the law of God in the holy estate of marriage? Will you love her as Christ loves the church, honor her, counsel her, and stand as one with her in all circumstances, as long as you both live?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
You may remove the bride's veil. The latest couple in town.
And that's how Boyega left us on the street and became a married man. Anyways, we headed to the hotel to take pictures with the couple and also to create some wedding content. And this is where you get to see the rest of the groomsmen. I didn't really show them, sha. Imagine my frustration when I heard that we had to change back into our agbada to dancing with the couple at the reception. I liked the idea, but I was so tired. I had to do it though because I'm doing it for the groom and the bride. Sorry, I won't be able to give you the typical couple entrance video because I still can't lay my hands on it. So managers. We did this nursery rhyme competition between the bride's gang and the groom's gang, and trust me, the groom's gang won.
Papa is a kind of fruit. Papa is a kind of fruit. Sweet like sugar. Sweet like sugar. Yellow like Fanta. Yellow like Fanta. Everybody like Papa. Papa!
And this was actually the highlight of the wedding for me. Get you a playful partner, someone who is not all the time bougie, who doesn't mind embarrassing themselves and doing all sorts of crazy things to make you laugh in public.
It is time to dance for your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Mumbai, India, welcome. Boyega Chhatrapuri. DJ, your back.
What's a Nigerian wedding without taking off, cutting the cake, having your first dance, having your first kiss? So yeah, that's what's going on here. There was a lot of dance with the groomsmen, the bride, the groom, the groomswoman, the band. I had so much fun that evening, and then I went home at the end of the wedding exhausted and fulfilled. Wait, before you go, I usually forget to say this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching this for the first time, if you're coming across my page for the first time, subscribe. Or if you've been watching my videos before and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. It just take you a second, a click, and then you're done. And watch out for more videos. I told you guys I'm turning 25. I basically documented my days up until my 25th birthday, so I'll be releasing more videos in the coming weeks. Stay tuned.